the grains of the sand. All the stars, a million stars, past time thinking of a fellow